first order of business is food. Thank you. Taste test. Shout out to them. Amazing hospitality. What's the name of this city? Castries.
And if you notice, you will see now our neighboring island, Martinique. If you notice, you see the coast.
Where's Martinique?
Yeah, you see the coast of Martinique.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, all the way.
Cheese. Saint Lucia vlog. I'm here with my best friend Yadira. We've been friends for 18 years since elementary school in 2004. That's where we met. We came here to celebrate our birthdays and 18 years of friendship. We landed last night, and to give you a little bit of an idea of the entry requirements to get here, we submitted COVID test, negative test, vaccine card, and you have to submit like a confirmation of the hotel you're staying at to make sure it's like a COVID safe hotel. And without that authorization, you can't travel into St. Lucia, so they have to approve your visit before you can come.
5 days before.
Yeah, so you take your test up to 5 days before you come in. That's pretty much it, right?
And I take your temperature every morning here at the hotel, so it's very safe. They're making sure that no one is sick.
Exactly. Which we appreciate. We landed last night and it was a beautiful first day. What did you like about it?
The drive here, the scene.
Oh my gosh, the drive was so beautiful. The scenery and the winding roads. It was like we were in a forest. Today we're going to Pigeon Island. Yadira might be parasailing. I don't know.
Convince her. She's being boring.
I'm not being boring. I don't know if I want to do it. I have to see first. And if there's no risk of me falling in the water, I might do it.
I'll try.
I don't know how to swim. So.
Me neither.
But you're... You be taking risks. I don't. Anyways, we're going to Pigeon Island. It's going to be a very lit vlog. So get ready for the adventures.
About to have some fun.
admirer. You guys are the secret admirer. You know?
You brought us more pitons.
Yes, you are the secret admirer. See that guy over there? Said he was only watching you guys.
From our secret admirers.
Been doing this for 14 years now.
Check Smokey out at Pigeon Island.
Every single day.
Not me with a piece of meat. A piece of fish. If you're not inside the ocean with a piece of fish, you're doing it wrong. Peter, look at this beautiful rainbow.
Oh wow.
You see it?
Yeah, it have long I never see a rainbow.
It's beautiful.
That's nice.
So we just made some friends at the beach and they've been like giving us beers and they called us to their fish fry. Let's see what this is about. I'm Jazmil.
Starred fish.
Nice.
Jack. That's what you call goose.
Okay.
You have to skin it, that's why I like that. You have to skin it. Because the skin is very tough. We have red snapper, yeah? That's red snapper.
Nice. Your ass when you shake it like that. We're back in our hotel room. We actually went to our hotel pool right after the beach and just made some TikToks at the pool pretty much. We just got ready to go out to dinner. We're probably gonna have dinner either at the hotel, they have live entertainment, or we're gonna head into Rodney Bay and see what we find to eat. This is my outfit. This is actually supposed to be a beach cover-up, but I don't really follow rules when it comes to clothes. Sometimes I wear bathing suits as bodysuits. These shorts are thrifted. I honestly love these shorts and they fit like a glove. I thrifted these like 3 years ago or something. And I'm wearing these heels. These are by Ralph Lauren. I got these a while ago. They have a really nice platform, which means my feet will not be killing me. So they're very comfortable. Happy Saturday. Today we're gonna be ziplining. This is my fit and I'm gonna wear my sneakers once we get there. It's gonna be like an hour car ride, something like that. Should be fun. This is only my second time ever ziplining.
Yo, make your price on your
That's Brandon?
Yeah. Hold on, fireman. Hold on. Say hi.
Brandon, are you done with walk? plans. We're actually not doing the zip line course today. We're gonna be hiking instead. We're gonna go to Tet Paul, which is like directly in front of me, right there, and it's gonna be lit. Hi. Your hair looks nice, por atrás. This is my song. You know this song?
You literally said to me, they're not being that nice to us. Drink water, but I drink beer.
So we are actually back at the very first restaurant we came to when we first landed from the airport. It's really close to the airport and the food here is so good. I had the chicken wrap and I'm gonna have the same thing again with garlic sauce. No cantate happy birthday twice. Happy birthday to you. Okay, we are going to hike today. This is unexpected. We were actually supposed to go zip lining, but we're gonna go hike Tet Paul instead. Right there is St. Vincent, y'all. Right there.
We drove all here. We did this. We came across, and then we went all here, and we went Vieux Fort, the airport. You went our international airport right here. See there? And we left. The restaurant is just next to the airport, right here. And so we're heading now.
We already went all over the island.
Yeah. So we're going to Gros Piton. You see Gros Piton?
Yay!
But we're gonna be in between the two of them, so we're in that area.
Those are nice sneakers. Those are your bad ones.
These are my running shoes, baby. I already messed up my bad ones in Peru when they made me get in the water with them. And they have grip. Let me see yours.
These are...
Yeah, you have a little bit of grip. I'm so happy. Sorry. Medite durísimo, Cardi. Come on. Don't forget to apply your sunscreen. We are about to hike that mountain right there. Race? I'm down to race.
You down to it?
Yeah.
Until you get tired. You ready?
Wait. Whew. That was a lot.
Okay, we have a few rocks. Watch your footings.
Look at that beautiful plant.
That's the
Elephant ear, I know.
Yes.
I used to have one that was the smaller one, but it died on me. 9 months? That's a long time. Wow, now I'm gonna appreciate every pineapple I eat even more.
I'm allergic, so all the way down to this end, you'd have the baby pineapples. When they're ripe, they'll get yellow.
Very cute.
The branches are a bit spiky. This would also be the community you'd have to get if you're thinking of doing the Gros Piton hike. Fort Jalib.
Fort Jalib.
Yes. Land of the free. Valley of the free people. Yes. And if you look straight out below the clouds, we have one of our neighboring islands, that's St. Vincent.
Gros Piton, Petit Piton. Back to Earth.
Yes. So how was it? Did you folks enjoy it?
Yes.
Dale, Romeo. Diablo, cuando suena la guitarrita. Take me with you tomorrow. Saint Lucia. Take me and I won't bother. Take me.
Can I just say that we love Saint Lucia and the Saint Lucian accent lives rent-free in my mind, like the Trinidadian accent? I'm el coro. Happy Sunday. We just drove down to Sulfur. We came from the north of the island by Rodney Bay to Sulfur, and it took about an hour. The drive was beautiful, just stunning, but it had so many curves, so we're feeling a little bit sick from the car ride, but it was stunning. So many beautiful tree-lined roads with the beautiful palms and all the different tropical plants, so I love that, but definitely feeling a little bit sick. We're in Sulfur now, and we're gonna be hiking Gros Piton, which is up there. I am so freaking excited. This is like the highlights of the trip for me. And it's about a 4-hour hike. It's gonna be a fun, adventure-filled Sunday. I'm excited. This is literally paradise. Look at all the beautiful trees and plants. Oh, look at the little goat. Hi, goat. What's today's date? The 30th?
I think so. Can I copy your date?
No. You guys write it differently. According to Kirby, our guide right there, the entire path is like this from the very beginning to the end. This is definitely the hardest hike I've ever done. It's gonna be worth it when we get to the top and see the beautiful views. And yesterday, Tet Paul, I forgot to mention, it was stunning. Tet Paul nature hike. I'm enjoying myself properly right now too. Properly. Are you at work?
Yeah. I know.
Wow, this is amazing. We are halfway there, so 1 more hour to go. Not for the faint of heart. This tree is 250 years old. It's a mango tree. Can I carve my name?
You have a knife?
No, do you? Yay!
top.
We did.
Hello.
We are on our way back down. The view was so beautiful, but this is a reminder to bring repellent. I did not bring any. I left mine at the hotel, and I've asked so many other hikers if they have any, and nobody has any repellent, so the mosquitoes are eating me up right now. Where are the stray doggies? We are back from dinner. We had dinner at our hotel upstairs. What was the name of the restaurant?
14 North.
14 North. And the food was good. It was okay. What did you think of it?
Okay, my salmon was delicious.
Her salmon was great. My tuna was a little bit cold. I feel like they should have brought it out a little bit earlier and I would have loved it. But it was pretty good. Anyways, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the curfew in Saint Lucia. Today is January 30th. And today's Sunday, so curfew is at 6. And then Monday through Thursday, curfew is at 9. And Saturday, it was at what, 8?
I don't remember.
Something like that. So it changes a little bit over the weekend. And that's why we're having a girls' night in. This was what I wore. Yadira took her shoes. Happy Monday. I hope y'all are doing well. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but the hike yesterday was amazing. It was really challenging, strenuous, tiring. Like, I almost gave out. But we made it to the top. It was so rewarding. It's beautiful up there and it was just a nice challenge. I'm really glad I did it. I definitely have to come back here so that I can hike Petit Piton, which is even harder than Gros Piton. So I need at least a year to prepare for that. I think Petit Piton stands at 3,500 feet in elevation, and Gros Piton, which I did yesterday, is only like 2,500. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab breakfast and then get a massage. We're gonna get massages at the hotel. Yadira's already having breakfast downstairs. And then we're gonna be zip lining today, so that's gonna be fun. I'm excited to zip line. This is my outfit of the day: some shorts, And this halter top, I'm actually gonna put something on top right now because I'm gonna go get breakfast, and it might be a little chilly since it's the morning time. Let's get some breakfast.
So I called and I'm like, the blood should know about this. So upstairs,
No.
they keep dragging chairs and I cannot sleep, and that's bothering me. It's very disturbing. So I called this morning. I'm like, is there a restaurant above me or something? Because I can hear all these chairs. She's like, oh, I'm so sorry. We can switch your rooms if you want. I'm like,
You should have been like, absolutamente. They do that every day though.
What?
Dragging the furniture.
Morning and night.
And you're a light sleeper?
Yes.
Yo no lo oigo de noche.
I woke up at 7 a.m. with them dragging those fucking chairs. I do not appreciate that. I'm here to rest and have a good time.
I do not appreciate that. Este fish cake, ¿tú lo trataste?
I try to stick with the vegetables. Eso es harina.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, can you bring that too?
Not this one asking for bounty rum.
We're gonna bring our Yeti cup, so we just have to.
Travel hack. Always travel with a Yeti cup. Where is mine? These things are like mini little coolers, and it keeps your drink hot or cold for hours. So, yup. Como siempre. The breadfruit. That's fried plantain, yellow.
Try.
Oh, I've tried it before.
Yeah,
I love it,
we eat a lot.
but I'm gonna still try it here.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. You want some of mine? Does anybody want to try anything?
It just looks like a little food.
My fish is really good too. If you guys wanna, whatever you wanna try, go ahead.
I like the breadfruit.
You had one already? It's delicious. Is that the sauce that she likes?
Baron.
Baron, yeah. bars are nice.
Yeah, the bars are
You
nice.
see those little country bars? They're really nice.
We're like basically bar hopping right now.
And I'll get another Guinness. And you'll get another.
I'm gonna get another rude boy.
No, I'm not gonna mix it rum with beer.
Yeah, just keep drinking your rum.
Yeah, just one you're
She's smart. So we went to the zipline place and it was closed. I don't know if they're out of business or if they're just closed on Mondays. Oh, look, an airplane. We're right by the airport. The airport is right here. Anyways, as I was saying, we are on our way to Vieux Fort now. And we stopped at this local bar right here. We're gonna go to Vieux Fort and just see the views from there. And we keep stopping at local bars, like bar hopping and just having beers and stuff, because we're trying to make the best out of today, even though it's like kind of cloudy and gloomy. We only have 2 days left, so we're trying to maximize our time here. Look at this one. Ay, coño. Oh. Like what kind of parts from
This is the length of the airport from here to there.
yeah.
Look the pitons. Look.
Oh. The sun loves us.
And we love it. Oh shit, let me look for the TikTok. Thanks for reminding me. Son is obsessed with me.
No se la sabe, so act cute. Every touch you need. Look at this beautiful sunset. I'm gonna jump on top of this ledge. Look, that thing matches you.
Oh shit. Let's do your blood thing porque tengo hambre.
Happy Tuesday. It's Yadira's birthday. And it's our last day on the island. We rented a boat and we're gonna be going to the Sulfur Springs, the Waterfalls. It's gonna be lit. No me miraste los ojos.
And she does a little smile. A mimosa a day keeps the doctor away.
Fact. Her birthday today.
Yeah? All right, so we're gonna have some champagne and stuff.
kind of love. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Look at the guy. Oh, look at the bird! Jump! Must be nice to know how to swim.
Yes, here we have Jazmil and Yadi going through the left tunnel. The Yadi's moving. Oh my God. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. Two angels going through the left tunnel. So they love glass forever and ever. Yeah, man.
That house right there with the pine tree is Oprah's house. Smile.
That's not for the vlog.
Todo el mar Caribe, viendo tu cintura.
I'm gonna marry a rich guy who's gonna bring me here. Vamos a disfrutar el ambiente. Vamos a meternos para agua.
Baila, baila.
The waterfall is open, overlooking the ocean.
Por toda la costa pictorial. De chichorro a chichorro para agua, ganó una medalla. Un poco de Bomarlí, uno trago de sangría. Pa' que te suelte. Poco a poquito, porque pa' vacilar no hay que salir. Oh, this is hot.
Yeah, it's all kind of
Woo!
for the mosquito bite, sunburn, acne, psoriasis.
It'll help with that? Thank God, I have a lot of mosquito bites.
Yeah, we'll just
You gotta like, they said it goes from hottest to coolest down there.
She's not burning yet. Oh, that's good. Where are you from?
New York.
New York City?
Yeah.
I'm from Buffalo.
Oh, nice. I went to school in SUNY Fredonia.
Oh, yes.
Then I moved down to
And what
SUNY
did you
Binghamton.
study?
I studied political science.
I'm a musician, so.
Oh, nice. It smells so bad here, but honestly, anything for our skin, right? Apparently, I'm supposed to look 10 years younger when I get out of here. Out of the Sulfur Springs and our skin feels so soft and smooth. I need a mask to bring home. Soft as a baby's bottom. Now we're gonna go eat somewhere. Is that a beer? It's a Jamaican beer. Perdón. Salty Boat Tours. Where can we find you?
In Saint Lucia, we on dock J11. Of course, we're gonna give you the best service. Come here, definitely. Captain Joe.
Ask for Sebastian. The best. The best.
Solution, no pressure, no problem.
Thank you so much.
my bathing suit on. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. I have to start memorizing the dates now that my vacation is over. But anyways, we're at the airport. Today was great. We ended up buying souvenirs and our friends took us to the beach, and then another one of our friends took us out to eat. It was a great trip. I'm so sad to leave, but I'm definitely gonna come back. Thanks for watching my Saint Lucia vlog. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.
Ask Dina to come out to give me the phone.
A little bit of Photoshop,
Guys, where? Cheers. You're not gonna believe this. We're back at the hotel. Our flight got canceled, so we're literally back at the same hotel where we've been staying. So
We've got our bags and vouchers for transportation, the hotel, and for no alcohol.
but we're still
Getting so.
Filming yourself having breakfast?
yeah.
Why?
She's a blogger.
I make travel videos. You want to be in it?
I can be it.
Hey y'all, this is Duco. He's from the Netherlands. Anything you want to say?
I love this morning.
He just ordered a mimosa. Yadira just ordered a mimosa, and we're having our last breakfast on the island. Cheers.
I don't have it yet.
You didn't look me in the eye and you did not smile. Honestly, I'm not even mad that my flight was canceled. That was probably a gift from God. Look, I'm getting a tan, I'm drinking. Taking my final dip in the beach, maybe, because we still don't know if our flight is going to take us to New York today. But I am going to enjoy my day regardless.